In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily work schedule on Monday.com. We're going to use one of Monday.com's built-in templates, which makes this process much faster and easier than building a schedule from scratch. If you want a simple way to organize daily tasks, plan your time, and keep your workday structured, this is a great option. To get started, open your Monday.com workspace and look for the plus icon. Go ahead and click that to begin creating something new. This is the starting point for adding a new board, and since a daily work schedule works best as its own board, this is where we want to begin. After clicking the plus icon, navigate to the board option. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a new board rather than another type of item. Choosing the correct option here is important because the board format gives you the layout and flexibility you need to manage a daily schedule clearly. Once you're in the board creation area, click Start with Template. This is the easiest route if you want a professional setup without spending extra time customizing everything manually. Templates are especially useful because they already include a structure designed for a specific use case, which in this case is daily work planning. Next, click into the search area and type daily. This will help narrow down the template library so you can quickly find the one you need. If you see several results, don't worry. Just look for the option specifically named Daily Work Schedule Template. When you find the Daily Work Schedule template, click on it to open the template preview. This gives you a chance to confirm that you've selected the right one before adding it to your workspace. It's a good habit to double check template names, especially if there are multiple scheduling templates available. Now click Use Template. This will tell Monday.com to create the board based on that template and add it to your workspace. At this point, the platform will begin setting everything up for you automatically. After that, simply wait for it to load. Depending on your internet speed and workspace size, this may take a few seconds. Once it finishes loading, your new daily work schedule board will be ready to use, and that's it. You've successfully created a daily work schedule on Monday.com using a template. From here, you can begin reviewing the board layout and preparing it for your day-to-day workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.